Hello friends, I'm Richa Agrawal and I'm a cancer survivor. I survived non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in year 2010. Since then, I am living a healthy life with constant follow-up and following a positive and a healthy lifestyle. Keeping myself positive is the biggest thing that I could do for my survivorship. Developing a healthy lifestyle, understanding my own needs, my own issues was another thing that helped me a lot. This time is a critical time. The world is going through a crisis, a pandemic COVID 19 caused by the coronavirus. Throughout the world, there are lockdowns and quarantines, and people are not allowed to go out. The time makes it difficult for cancer patients, survivors, families, and caregivers because going to hospitals, some patients may be going through treatments like chemotherapies or the transplants or radiotherapies, etc., some surgeries, etc., and all this must have been affected. All this must have been difficult for you. For caregivers also the times are difficult, for survivors also the times are difficult. But friends, are we new to these difficulties? The virus, the quarantines, etc., they have all given us a lot of insecurity. But are we new to insecurities? No, we are not new to insecurities. We are not new to uncertainties. We have seen the difficulties, and the time is to keep ourselves positive, our thoughts positive, our attitude positive, and we should look forward to a better future. Cancer patients, survivors, etc., all of us are immunocompromised people, and it is obvious in this situation to think or to feel more insecure and to feel that we are more prone to such infection. So friends, I will only suggest follow all the instructions given by doctors, all the instructions given by government. Stay safe, stay inside. Keep yourself protected from the infection. Don't go out unnecessarily. Don't go to the hospital also unnecessarily. Try to contact the doctors as much as possible through the online medium. Eat healthy food. Eat fresh food so that no infection, no other secondary infection affects your health, and you don't need to rush to the doctors unnecessarily. Keep yourself thoughts, keep yourself positive, keep your thoughts positive. Follow your routine. Go out in sunlight in the morning, fresh sunlight. Don't go out. Go to your own garden if you have a garden in your home. If you have a balcony, sit in the balcony for some time. If you can go to the terrace, go for the terrace sometime in the morning and take some fresh air there. You will feel really fresh. Do some light exercises, some meditation, some yoga. Follow your routine, and this is the best time you can spend with your family. uh, Count your days. Don't count, they say, as they say, count, don't count, I'm sorry, they say, don't count your days, count your blessings. So count your blessings every day. Write down 5 blessings you have in life. Life is definitely uncertain. It is uncertain for everybody, but what we can do as humans is to make best use of the time we get. Spend more time with your family. If you are fond of music, listen to good music. I would suggest don't go to TV channels, news channels too much, because it is advised for not just for cancer patients but for all other people also, to avoid listening to news so much. That only creates a lot of panic in us. I would suggest go for twice a day to the news channels, and rest of the time engage yourself in much productive activities. If doctors have advised you rest, relax, you rest and relax. If you can read some good books, read some good books. Also, the cancer patients, cancer survivors, you are a great motivation to other people also. Be a motivation in such a crisis time, while you are already going through an uncertainty, a crisis, a severe disease. Show to the people that your strength will keep you healthy. Be a motivation to all other people also. Cancer caregivers, family members, definitely you are having a double trouble. Taking care of a patient at home, taking care of yourself, taking all the precautions also, but then these are the testing times. Human race is the most advanced and most intelligent race among all the species. So this is the time while we are being tested, and definitely we have to come out with true colors. So keep your thoughts positive, keep your healthy lifestyle, stay safe, stay inside, and let's fight the disease all together. And let's come out with flying colors. Keep healthy, and let's spread the positivity throughout. Let's be a motivation to everybody. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I wish you good luck. God bless to all the people, and please stay safe.